Now, first question, verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to half into x plus y plus z within bracket. Then again bracket begins x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Verify means you know that LHS and RHS must be the same. So now we will begin with LHS. Okay, what is that LHS? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z. We know the formula of this one. In the above one we have used. What is it? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This we have seen. Okay, using identity. Now, what we will do? Now, in the numerator and denominator, we will multiply and divide with 2. Okay, and then write the same. Okay, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So now what we will do? This numerator will multiply here in this part. Okay, first part will be left out as it is. Means this will be written as it is. This part we will multiply this 2. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 2 into x plus y plus z. Now this 2 is multiplied here, so it becomes what? 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz then minus 2zx. Okay, so now after that write 1 by 2, then write x plus y plus z. This 2x square I can break it into x square plus x square. This x square plus x square, then y square, then plus z square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. This way I can write. Now next step, 1 upon 2, then x plus y plus z. This one x square I will keep here, the other x square I will take to the next side. That is here. After that, minus 2xy I will bring, then 1 y square I will write. Okay, then after that again y square. That means you can see both the y squares I am using, 2y square. Then again this 2yz plus z square. Same way z square, then minus 2zx, then plus x square. So you can see x square plus x square, 2x square, got it? Then y square plus y square, 2y square, and then z square plus z square, 2z square, got it? Now after that 1 upon 2 into x plus y plus z. Then this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is that formula? A minus b, that is x minus y. Here bracket I will change because already y round bracket is there, so I will use here what? Square bracket. So this is this plus this is again y square minus 2yz plus z square will be what? Y minus z whole square, then y z square minus 2zx plus x square. It will be what? Z minus x whole square. Okay, proved equals to RHS. Verified. Here. Now see, question number 13. If x plus y plus z equals to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. So we will write here, we know that, solution we know that, what? Formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to what? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This formula we know. Okay. So now what is given here? If x plus y plus z equals to 0 means this value is what? Again I can write implies x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to this value 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So implies x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to what? 0 multiplied with any number, any variable will become what, or any term becomes 0. So implies x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Now do the transpose of this. So what it happens is this will become dxyz. Means from here this minus goes that side to the right side and it becomes positive. Negative to positive. So this will be positive x. So proved. Okay. So next question is 14 number, that is without actual calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. The first one is minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. So it is just like the 13th question. First we will check with x plus y plus z1. Okay. So here x plus y plus z equals to, we will write here, you can write here x equals to how much? Minus 12, y equals to 7 and z equals to 5. So x plus y plus z equals to how much? Minus 12, then plus 7 plus 5 equals to how much? Minus 12 plus 12 equals to 0. That means if x plus y plus z equals to 0 means we know the formula, just we have done just above now, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. Now here what are the values put here? That is minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube equals to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. So now this will be equals to how much? Minus this one 35, 7 5 is 35, 35 12s are 420, 420 into 3 will be 1260. On calculation, see this. Okay, answer. So in the same way, next question is your homework. Second one is homework. Same way you have to do. 14th, second part is your homework. Same way it will be done. What is the question? 28 cube plus 28 cube plus of minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. Same way you will go for this. Okay. Same way, first find this. If it is coming as 0 sum, definitely only the product of this with 3 will be the answer. Okay, do it. And then next question is 15th one. What is given in 15th one? Give possible expression for the length and breadth of the following rectangles in which their area is given as this. 15th question is give possible expression for length and breadth of the following, each of the following rectangle in which their area is given as this. So area equals to how much? 25a square, then minus 35a and then plus. So we know that rectangle's area is written as L into B, that is length into breadth. If I get the factors of this, means if I factorize this, I will get length and breadth. Clear? So factorize this first. So 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So multiply these two first terms, because factorize means splitting the middle term in plus or minus you must get 35, and on multiplication you must get 25 into 12. So 25 12 are how much? 300. So 300 LCM you take it out, that is 300, then again 250, then again 225, and then 5 5s are. Likewise you can do, or simply we know that 15 into 20 is 300, and on addition 15 plus 20 is how much? 35. Got it? Either way you can do. Okay, this is 300. Okay, so 15 and 20 will be the factors of it. So this I can write as what? 25. Yes, I can write here 15 plus 20a. Okay, so that will be 35, and on multiplication also I'll get 300, then plus 12, that is equals to 25 a square minus, multiply this 15a, then minus 20a plus 12. So now here what is common? 5 and then a. So what is left out here? 5a, then here 3, and same way here what is common? 4. So 4 means 4 5s are 20, minus here 3. So you can see what is common in both, 5a minus 3. So the other one is 5a minus 4. So this is length, this is breadth. So you can write the length of a rectangle equals to 5a minus 3, and its breadth equals to 5a minus 4. Answer. Okay, in this way only second part is there, you yourself do it same way what is given, that is 35. This is homework. Okay, homework second part. What is that? 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Do it as homework. Okay, same way factorize and you will get length and breadth, so that will be the answer. Next is 16th one is volume. What is given? The volume. What is the possible way? What are the possible expressions for the dimension of the cuboid whose volume are given? Cuboid. What are the possible expressions for the dimension of the cuboid whose volume are given below? Okay, cuboid means whose length, breadth and height is there. Okay, so volume is given. Volume equals to first one. Volume equals to what is given? 3x. Volume equals to 3x square minus 12x. Okay, volume is given likewise. So we know that this is equals to 3x square minus 12x. So here what is common in these two? Okay, so first take it out 3 and then x common. So 3x gone from here means only x is there. Then minus from here 3x gone means what is left out? Only 4. So here how many terms are there? 3 into x into x minus 4. So here this is L, this is B and this is height. So therefore you can write length of a cuboid, therefore length of cuboid equals to 3, then breadth of cuboid equals to x, and then height of cuboid equals to x minus 4. Answer. Okay, same way the second part is given as what? That is 12 second part, 12 ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. So everywhere you can see k is common, so take k common, and what is left out? 12y square plus 8y minus 20. Now in this also you can see what? 2 is common. Now in this also you can see 4 is common, so we'll write 4k, and then here 3y square, then plus 2y minus 5. Now LCM, that means factorize you will do. What will you get? 4k, 3y square. Now in this way you will split. On multiplication you must get 15, and on addition or subtraction you may get 2. So what it will be? Plus 5 minus 3. So on multiplication how much you'll get? 15, and on plus or minus you'll get this. Then y minus 5. Bracket this change it, which is equals to 4k, then 3y square, then plus 5y minus 3y minus 5, which is equals to 4k. Here common is y, so 3y plus 5, here minus 1, 3y plus 5, which is equals to 4k. Here 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. So this is L, this is B, this is H. Okay? Then write length of the cuboid is 4k, breadth of the cuboid is 3y plus 5, and the height of the cuboid is y minus 1. Okay.